Many engineers told us the same thing recently. Sometimes you just need dimensions, not for creating the hydraulic schematic itself, but for everything around it. Documentation, manufacturing prep, and clearer communication. So today, we're introducing a brand new function in HydroSym, dimensioning. Let me show you how it works. I start by drawing a simple shape like a rectangle, and now I can add a dimension directly inside HydroSym with the 2-point dimension tool. I pick 2 points, place the dimension, and the exact measurement appears instantly. I can move the dimension higher or lower wherever I would like to place it. OSNAP plays a key role here. It makes sure every click snaps exactly to the right point, corners, centers, midpoints, so your dimensions are always precise. This is especially helpful when creating clean, consistent geometry. To modify a dimension, I simply double-click or press Shift plus Enter and type the new value. HydroSym updates it immediately. This is helpful when working with predefined or standardized measurements. Here's another example. I add a cylinder, apply a dimension, and again, OSNAP ensures the value is placed exactly where it should be. You can even place a dimension first, and then draw the geometry to match it. If you want your cylinder to be 3 meters, you can also stretch it until it fits the needed dimension. Dimensions can also be customized through the new Dimension Styles menu in the Format tab. Here, you can define the scale, text style, text height, arrow size, and choose the appropriate line type and line style. You can even set a custom format for how the value is displayed, and when multiple dimensions are selected, all these settings can be applied at once. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to bringing more new capabilities to support your hydraulic design process.